Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be practicing the vowel sounds for I. If you're someone learning phonics, this video is just for you. First, I'll read it. After that, you can practice with the video that has no sound. Okay? Let's start now. B-I-T Bite, fight, fight, high, light, light, might, might, night, night, right, right, sight, sight, tight, tight, bright, bright. Okay, in this video there is no sound, so you can practice with videos. Now your turn. Let's start now. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.